Access Unlimited, and today we're going to show you a multi-lift and PIR for a 2008 to 2013 Toyota Highlander. The PIR uses the same multi-lift used to transfer a person. The unit assembles quickly, the lift attaching to the mount and secured with a pin. The pickup device included will depend on the wheelchair. Talk to the design team to find out what may work best for you. The PIR mount requires no permanent modification, installing into pre-existing holes in your vehicle. Access Unlimited provides a modified plastic and a modified storage cover, so your original parts won't require alteration. This PIR comes with 2 sets of wheelchair tie-downs. The tie-downs must always be used to secure the lift and wheelchair when the vehicle is in motion. Thank you for watching our video today on the multi-lift and PIR for the Toyota Highlander. If you'd like to see more, check out the description below. Thank you and have a nice day.